So what can you possibly grow in Zone 9A in Texas during October? I don't have the full answer, but I'm going to tell you exactly what I got and where I failed it. So on the menu right now to harvest for vegetables, I have cucumbers, pinto beans, lettuce, lots of lettuce, kale, and something called tatsoi mustard. For herbs, I have a lot of basil, a lot of mints, rosemary, thyme, a lot of parsley, chives and garlic chives, and lemongrass. And to make our ecosystem diverse, I have the hibiscus flower. In the works, I have onions, eggplants, collards, broccoli, and cauliflower. I also planted garlic and carrots by the seed, but they haven't quite sprouted yet. And for my long-term fruit projects, I have pomegranates, oranges, grapes, but unfortunately, my cherry tree died. Alright, so I want to be honest and talk about things that didn't work. Failures, challenges, opportunities, however way you want to put it. Well, a tomato plant here grew in its full form, but has not produced any tomatoes for us. I don't know why. I looked it up, and it's maybe something to do with pollination, or maybe the soil nutrients isn't right. I don't know. I think it could be a combination of that and aphid problems, caterpillars. I spent most of the mornings, as soon as I found out, washing the leaves, but I guess it has not been enough in this war, in this battle against predators. Because, I tell people half of gardening is weed and pest management. So maybe I did not succeed with this. And by the way, I used dipel dust, and as this plant was growing, and I guess it was not enough. I have other tomato plants around, and they have not produced any tomatoes yet. So maybe I might get lucky throughout November. I don't know. We'll see. I was not successful with watermelon at all. There were, I don't know, maybe rodents that took the watermelons as they were growing, or there was a lot of aphids, and a watermelon plant is really big, so you have to wash the leaves, make sure, spray the leaves down, make sure that the eggs are gone, and doing that with a watermelon plant that's so big, it's very difficult. So I was not able to succeed. Also, I want to mention our pepper plants did not work out either. I had so many varieties of pepper plants. I won't say where I bought them from. I bought them online, and I was so excited to try all these interesting varieties of peppers, but even when I planted them outdoors or indoors, all of the leaves had what looked like some sort of moldy problem, and I didn't know what to do about that. There was nothing. I keep on pulling the leaves, and the problem just kept on growing, more moldy leaves. So none of my pepper plants succeeded either. So I'm thinking to get my pepper plants, from a variety of other seed providers to prevent that from happening again. Because, I know peppers are very nutritious, and it's interesting to get different varieties. And I didn't get that opportunity this year, so no one's going to hold me back next year.